Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. With you today is me, Adri Beauty Tutorials, or just Adri. Oh, I'm so happy to be back and make again new videos. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the like button and press this notification bell that you didn't miss my next videos. For my eyes makeup, I was used this palette from Maybelline that I buy today in drugstore. It's called Maybelline Urban Light, the City Kit. This palette is very unique, very beautiful. You can use this palette for your eyes, for your cheeks, for contouring. There's no limits for this palette. You can do everything with that. Okay, what I think about this palette. This palette actually is very good. This is very pigmented. Palette will be good for highlighting, for blushes, for eyes. No, judge. And so, for eyes, this palette is very well. You can make very natural looks. For my lips, I was using this Maybelline SuperStay ink color called Romantic, and this baby lipstick is perfect. And lip gloss smells very yummy, like a strawberry cake, something like this. And I really love this product. This product in future I'm gonna use only for highlighting, for blush, and so I don't gonna use this for my eyes because I love to do more drama to my eyes. With this palette I try my all best, but I can't make the drama. Still, it's look very nice, very beautiful. I recommend to buy this palette if you don't love make a big drama with your eyes and you love some just natural looks, then it's perfect for you. But for me, this palette is too weak for my eyes. It's okay, if I wear lips like this palette is perfect. And so, okay guys, if you are interested in how I made this look, how I work with this palette, how I work with those beautiful, perfect, so perfect lipsticks, then keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, and see you soon in my next video. In my next video I think I'm gonna do some art with my eyes, with no makeup rules, with some crazy stuff. Okay, let's see later. Okay, bye, have a nice evening. Audrey gonna go sleep. Okay, bye bye. So, welcome back. I already done my face. For my face I was used this Maybelline Face Studio Prime with minimizing pores. And for my foundation I was used this foundation from Maybelline SuperStay 24-hour makeup. For my eyes I'm gonna use this palette what I could get today from Maybelline. And so let's go with my eyes and do some fun with makeup. For the first color for my edges I'm gonna use this darkly pink and slowly gonna build up. The color is very pigmented, but I already love. The color is very pigmented, but it's not so dark like I expect to be. And slowly build up the crease and then see what's happened. The color is building up very well, and that's I already love. I'm building up the crease line.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
The glow is very good. Next color I'm gonna use this color for cheeks, but it's going to your eyes as well. Like I said, this palette is universal and you can use this palette for your eyes, for your face, for everything. Okay, next I'm gonna take, like I said, this color. And with this color I'm gonna go down a bit to build up more darker pink. And actually what I love with Maybelline. Maybelline product is not so expensive, but quality is very good. If you are on the budget, you can buy Maybelline products, they really works. And I can say, I try already 2 colors from this palette. It's amazing. Maybelline don't need to buy very expensive products to do something with your face or eyes. I go down a bit. The next color I use this shiny purple. I'm gonna build up some edges. This color is not going so well. I wish that this purple was more intense and more darker. Yeah, I'm gonna try to work this all out. Bring something. I'm gonna try to add some silver black. I'll take a angle brush. I'm thinking why this palette called Urban. This reminds me more like Barbie palette for small girls. Stars is very light. Still, I like them. Write down in the comment how you think. Do you like these colors? Okay, now I'm gonna try to cut my lids. After cutting my lid, I'm gonna bring more stickiness with this Focus and Fix a primer. Bring up some color intense with next shadow. I'm gonna work again with fingers, and with a flat brush I'm gonna work with those two colors. I'm gonna go with this diamond shade in my eyelids and bring up this peachy, white peachy color in ends. Wow, shine very well. Here. Now I'm gonna take this green one, make some changes here. I'm gonna go in eyeline. I only wish that this green was more intense. It's too light. Okay, now I'm gonna try. I'm gonna take this darker color in this palette and make some eyelines. Next I'm gonna do my brows. Next one I'm gonna do my lashes, and for lashes I'm gonna use L'Oreal Million Volume. Now I'm gonna contour my face. For contouring I'm gonna use this pinky. Face, this works very well. I'm gonna highlight this yellow. Brush for highlighting. I'm gonna go with those colors like pearl. Highlight my nose. Highlight eyebrows. Okay. Now I'm glowing. This palette contains too much glitters. The colors is nice, but when you take something on the brush, see? No, you don't see. There's everywhere. After using this palette, my all dress all is in glitters. But I love this result. Finally, the last lips, and I think this product gonna bring this all madness to something nicer. I hope so. And for this, I'm gonna use this SuperStay ink from Maybelline with color Romantic. You need only one layer with this. What I love, this lipstick is not sticky. Most of lipsticks that I was used was nice color as well, but they all was very sticky. This lipstick, it's bring up very intense color. It's not sticky and it's less very long. So I finished with my makeup. The lips save this makeup, I think. This palette contains very natural shade colors, and it's very good for highlighting, for making some natural blushes, and actually it's my first palette from Maybelline, and in future I'm just gonna use this palette for highlighting, for natural look blushes and so, but for eyes I don't like. I do like more drama, more colors, more color intense, like blow up my eyes. Normally I don't do the lips. I don't like to do lips. But in this video my lips is blowing, very intense, very beautiful. Eyes is just... here I am. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. Thank you that you watched this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy this time with me. Please press the like button, subscribe my channel and press the bell button that you get notification when I upload new videos. With you today was Adri Beauty Tutorials or just Adri. I wish you all the best. Love you all and have a nice evening. Bye!